In today's video, we are going to make a pattern in Procreate app on iPad. So get the elements ready. I'm going to make a retro doodle style one. So you can see me cleaning the sketch. Now I'm going to add text using my own font to add some different elements. I'm going to add another little element and arrange them, increasing and decreasing the size of each, arranging them in random manners. Now we are going to select all these layers and group them and duplicate this because we might need them. Flatten the group and duplicate the elements. Now add another layer and fill it with color. Decrease the opacity and duplicate the layer. Select one color layer and one pattern layer and make sure the snap is on. Move one group to the left and the other group to the right, making sure it snaps. Otherwise, you can see the overlay. That's why we've added the color layer. Fill the empty space with one of the elements from the previous group and delete the colored layers. Now I'm going to just adjust the size, and now again combine all the design elements layer and duplicate. Repeat the previous process, but this time you're going to move it downwards and upwards. Again, make sure they snap. Make sure that when you're adding elements, you do not add anything in the corners. Combine all the layers. Now snap the layer in one corner, duplicate the way I'm doing it, you can see, and again just make sure they are squares snapping to each corner, and you can make an even more detailed pattern like that. And if you want to repeat the same process again, you can see you'll receive a very different kind of result. So you can see that it's even more detailed now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful. If you did enjoy it, do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more digital art.